So I gotta show you the lights that I just got put on my Defender. I got the glow lights put on. These front ones, those headlights, those still need to be changed out. I'm pretty happy with the way the glow lights are looking on this. I'm gonna start it up here soon and show you what those look like. And I still don't have my real plates on this truck because I'm waiting for my engine to come in. You'll see in a second why I say that. So I'm gonna start the truck up and yeah, we'll show you those lights here in a second. All right, so check that out. That was pretty sweet. Those are beautiful. So I'm really liking the way those came out. She is pretty smoky. Whew. So hence the reason I've not been driving it. That's what those guys look like. Pretty sweet. I'm liking them a lot. Alarm's broken. It's pretty cool. I can really see that blue smoke, right? Yeah. Turn signals on there. Still got to change this guy out. Change that one to an LED. Yeah. But overall, I am pretty happy with those lights. Just turn that off so I can kill the smoke on that. Anyway, so yeah, I went into a shop and I had them redo the electrical because the AC system underneath here was an absolute mess. I was told that the AC was working when I picked up the truck, and that's not the case. It was not working. So they spent some time fixing up the electrical underneath, and in the meantime, they I don't know what they did, but they disconnected, couldn't figure out the alarm system, and so now the alarm just driving down the road just goes off randomly, and they gave me this little push button to press it to make it go off. So my next stop is, after I get my engine in and take care of some other important things, is to get the alarm disabled or at least have it working correctly. Yeah, there's quite a few small things here that I need to get working and get fixed, but yeah, you can check it out. Orange interior. Isn't that cool? Well, I like it anyway. It's not for everybody, that's for sure. Got my sunroof up top there, and that seems to be working fine now. It's not leaking anymore. Yeah, we got a little bit of work. All right, so I'd like a little bit of input. I've got this this door cards, leather door cards here, and I'm noticing like the this lock, you see how it's like in behind the leather, and I think it should be above it. It was right here. So I'm just wondering like how that can be fixed. I don't know if maybe this is the improper leather, or what's happening, what should change with that piece. So that's kind of my question. And then this particular door card, I noticed that it looks like that little pin in there has snapped off. So I'm trying to figure out, like, can this be replaced, or should I just get a new door card and have that repaired that way? So yeah, just some questions there. Work left, but I am pretty stinging excited about driving this truck. It is so cool. It's like a little Lego set. I'm like putting this thing together bit by bit. So yeah, we're gonna check back in here soon. I've got some brake stuff coming in, and I can't wait to show you guys around. So thanks for checking out my video, and yeah, love to hear what tips you got on what you've done to yours.